severe thunderstorm was located near Spencer, or 19 miles northwest of Bloomington, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Spencer and McCormick Creek State Park around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Freedom. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Owen, Indiana.
And now